All right, it's shitty and rainy, but the sun's gonna shine on us soon. Today marks the first day of our excellent adventure. Here's my good buddy Steve, and what are we doing today?
Picking up a bike.
We're getting a motorcycle. Today is day one of our exciting Two Dudes Building Choppers. What's the name of our group?
Creve Customs.
There you go. But we gotta clean my truck out before we can leave, so we'll get back to you. Go figure, as we get started on our great adventure, this is what traffic looks like. But we got a plan, don't we, Steve?
We do.
What's our plan?
We're going the other direction.
We're going the other way. Well, here we are in our second traffic jam, but we will not be discouraged because we are getting our motorcycle. Aren't we, Steve?
Damn right.
So what do we say to traffic? All right, got ourselves an update. Had to stop at Maple Grove. We got Steve's bike. Out of respect for the people, I didn't videotape while we were there. It's just I didn't feel like asking either. But here she is. Our Yamaha xs650. Soon to be chopper. How cool is that? You excited, buddy? Woo! Yeah! Yeah, I tell you what, not only was picking up the bike fun, but this ride is beautiful. This is some motorcycle territory right here. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Steve's goal during this whole process was trying to get a cow to talk to him. We're going this way, Steve, because we're trying to get these cows to talk to you. All right, let's see if this works. I'm gonna try this one first.
Moo! Ah, he looked.
Yeah. All right, hold on.
Moo! Moo!
You feeling better now, Steve? Hello, horse. All right, Steve, I'm gonna get up next to him, see if they want to race. Oh, car's coming, we gotta go. All right, we're taking a quick pit stop. It's time to eat. We're done yelling at cows and Amish people. We weren't mean to Amish people. We just wanted to see if they wanted to race.
We weren't mean to the cows either.
Yeah, we were just saying moo. Barbecue time. We'll be back. I don't know why I videotaped that. All right, we are in Delaware. Now, we just need to get back to Maryland. All right, we are back. Finally. After what, 6 hours? Let's unload it, see if we can get it started before we tear it apart in a million pieces. Otherwise, looking good. I already put the choke on for you.
There's no primer thing or anything?
No, not on that one. Primer takes the place of the choke. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, we lost it. Just let it run for a second and take the choke off. We're gonna take her on one good ride before, or maybe two good rides before we hardtail it. Start making our chopper. The other XS that I'm building is in the garage, but I'll show you guys that one later. Heck yeah, Steve, burn them tires up, buddy. It's been about 10 minutes and I am still waiting on Steve, so I'm guessing he decided to go on a little bit long of a ride, so I figured I'll sit here and wait for him, or I go find something else to do for a few minutes. I guess I'll videotape him when he comes back. And he's coming back. And then I get to test it out. Yeah, buddy. What'd you think?
Runs good, man.
Yeah, it does. That's gonna be cool, man. Leave it running. I'm gonna jump on there. All right, we got him in the home for the next few weeks. Steve's is in much, much better shape than mine is in. But in the end, they're gonna look awesome. Till next time.